with Vince and Keith. Say hi, guys.
No. God.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fun. I play this game a lot with Keith because he really likes tornadoes. So
I don't want to get
we're
destroyed.
doing a video on it finally.
I'm getting destroyed.
Let's do an easy one.
Uh-oh. Someone
An easy one.
An easy one? Which one?
This one is the.
All right, the middle one.
Rome.
Keith is voting the middle one.
Oh no. It's gonna be.
Where's Keith? Oh no.
I'm right there.
It's saying meow, 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 meow.
What?
The music is saying meow.
Okay. I found Keith.
Oh, come on. There's nothing in here.
Greenhouse.
Is this where we're hiding? I guess.
If you guys find a shelter key, I have Shelter Finder. It shows me where it is.
Oh. Oh gosh. I guess we're going all the way to the top?
Yep.
I'm like checking for items. I'm
Goodbye,
going
guys.
all the way to the top. No, that's a bad idea. I'm just gonna stay down here with you guys.
I forget
Good luck.
being on tornado.
That dude actually jumped. He jumped off the building. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Oh no!
Get away from it.
Oh, Casey, we need to get down.
Ah! Guys, it's pulling me in. I'm paralyzed.
Ah!
I'm paralyzed.
Oh no, the floor collapsed!
Yes, I'm gonna survive.
I got a baseball bat! I'm paralyzed!
I'm not even gonna make it.
And I'm bald!
I'm gonna make
I'm bald and paralyzed. No, I got a baseball bat. I'm bald and paralyzed! Oh no! We win? We win!
We win?
We won! We did it!
Yay, we did it!
hard.
Oh no.
Everyone's voting hard.
Here we go.
We got a hard one.
Let's see what it is. I have Robux. Yes. Okay. Cool.
Would that be a Sharknado?
Maybe. Wow, it's a normal tornado. That's boring.
No! Where did you miss
Already shelter key.
I got a fire extinguisher.
He has some news!
Not really.
Where are you guys?
He has some news!
He has baby noobs?
Yeah!
I don't know where anything is. I'm lost in a junkyard. And I'm gonna die to a tornado. Oh my gosh. Can I see Keith from up here? Is that Keith?
Whoa! Whoa!
That's not Keith then.
What is it?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! I'm running on this. Ah! No! No! I lost my hair. Oh god. Ah! Oh no. I'm stuck in the ground. Oh, I died. I died. No.
Well, Ashley.
You're paralyzed? Oh gosh. I'm just I'm gonna die again! No! Ah! to be able to go out of the map, yet it somehow flung me. What? Wow, it destroyed everything. Oh my gosh. I got zapped by lightning.
Oh, hey! This is a good hiding spot.
Where are you? Oh no.
This is the thing.
I'm dead.
Ashley.
Y'all know Vince is gonna win because Vince got a shelter key and is safe in a
And
shelter.
another-
Going down, going down, going down. Yeah. I'm charging in! This is a terrible idea!
Look, this is so high.
Yeah!
Kidding me.
Run into the tornado! Ah! I'm paralyzed.
Can't see anyone.
The demon version of me. Oh, and I'm already under the water. I'm dead.
I cannot see anyone.
Oof. Dead.
I did.
We died.
I died.
Vince survived though.
You didn't survive. Okay, Vincent. You survived. Think it's gonna be Sharknado?
Wait. Someone else summoned a tsunami. So there's gonna be meteors and a tsunami?
No, just one.
Just the meteors then? Zeus? Extreme thunderstorms. Oh. I'm here with the teacher. Hi. No. This is in school. Oh my gosh. Someone found a shelter key. Keith, where are you?
Right there.
Where?
I'm in the Vincent.
Oh, you're with Vince, and I need to go back in here. Upstairs. I see you! I'm coming! Hi! Where are we going? Where are you gonna take me? It looks like it's about to
I'm just gonna take shelter at the bottom.
Let's do an elevator.
Okay, I'll go get it. Oh,
We
it's
should
up
take-
there.
Bottom.
I'm gonna go get the elevator. Come on, Keith. Where are we going now? To the roof. I guess. This might be a bad idea. Oh, the tornado's right there. Go back down, go back down, go back down. Keith, come. Maybe like one floor down. I like this elevator though.
Oh shoot, it's in here.
Goodbye, dude. We just left him on the roof.
Ashley, what was the disaster that's coming?
It said,
Tsunami?
tsunami and meteors.
I'm just gonna get up high. So I...
Dude! Ah! I'm still alive, but I'm about to die. Keith, you are already dead, I'm pretty sure. Come on, come on. Oh, I'm free. I'm alive.
No, I have to get to the top now.
Over. It's over.
I'm getting to the top, no
Oh my
matter
gosh.
what.
Over.
Get to the top. Get to the highest part of the map.
I'm already, oh, I see you. I can't get up there.
Tsunami!
I can't get up there. I can get up here though, so.
Get as high as you can.
This is the size I can get. Oh gosh.
It's a hurricane.
No, it's a tsunami. It's a giant wave. Little tsunami. Tsunami. Oh gosh. Where is it coming from? I don't see it.
Oh, there it is!
I see it! Oh, we're way above it.
I'm just gonna jump over it. It's massive!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, so many people died.
Woo! I did it!
So many people died.
Yeah, I did it too.
You
I
are, that's
died.
cool.
So,
You died.
Fuck.
Me and Vince survived.
Yeah, this
Zeus again, yep.
we're in the beach.
Where are you, Keith?
I'm on top of this building.
For sure.
I'm on top. I'm on top of
Someone
this
found a
building.
shelter key.
I'm on top of this building. I'm on top of this building. Building.
You're on top of the bridge? What?
No, this thing. Look.
It's like a little bridge. You see that between the two buildings? How are you gonna get down from there? Oh no, it's glitching. What's happening? Oh, okay. I'm coming. I'm gonna climb up there.
I into their grave already. Another extinguisher, but I can't grab it.
The tornado has appeared.
Oh, I didn't have this screen.
What? Oh.
Oh shoot, it's right next to me!
I see you!
Wait till next.
Get in!
It's right next to Keith and me too. I'm here, Keith! I made it! Oh, I have the spring coil now. I could have just jumped up here.
I have this screen. Look.
I'm coming down.
Look. Ashley, look. They have
Did
this
you buy it? You need to wait for next round, Keith. And then you'll have it. You found a bat.
Oh, this guy has a blue fire.
Jump in.
No, I forgot! I can't use the coil and the bat at the same time. I'm so done. And there's gonna be a hurricane.
Will be a hurricane?
I have to reset fast.
I'm not jumping.
If the storm is over, I have to reset. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Eat.
It's a
Oh, shoot.
Ah! 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 There's the water! Ah!
Guys, hope I'm paralyzed.
Flopping like a fish! Ah! Oh wow! I was struck by lightning in midair, and now I'm dead. Wait, the H is gone on the hotel, so it's just Oitel. Ah!
Please say I can survive.
It doesn't say hotel anymore, it just says Oitel. Oitel!
Hotel.
Oitel.
No, the tornado's coming straight for me. Yes, it's turning.
I've already died.
Yes, I'm
I
in the
can
water.
make it, I can make it, I can make it to the other side!
No, eat space sandwich.
I made it to the other side!
Oh no, I'm on the edge of the map. That is not good.
Oh, I wanted to drive
Yes!
that.
Okay, I have to reset.
Why?
It's over.
But then it won't count as you survived.
I know. Right when I get my coins, I have to reset. Just reset.
Okay. If you say so. Hurricane.
I have to get
Uh-oh.
in.
Keithy, get behind something.
Yes.
Which way is the wind coming from, actually? I need to know that first.
Is she recording?
Which way is it coming from? Which way is the wind coming from? Actually, I feel like this would be a good spot no matter what I do. Oh, thank you. Oh, here, the wind's coming from this way.
Hurricane's simple.
Ah! I'm stuck in the board! I now have a snack. That was nice. I don't know even where he got these. Literally like the best one.
Tails gonna get hit. I'm stuck.
4 hurricanes coming up now. It's good. It's getting lower. 3. Slowing down.
That one.
Whoa.
Yes.
Whoa. We did it.
I'm a hurry.
We did it.
I'm up there.
How is that still standing? What?
Then I feel like.
How is that even still standing?
What?
This part of the building.
Oh my god.
What the heck? I died though, yeah.
I died too. I died too.
Alright, let's do one more round. This will be our last round.
And this
Which one, Kate? The middle one. Easy.
Oh. I voted for. I voted for
a hard one.
Oh.
Roblox University is gonna win.
That's the easy one. Alright. Last round. Let's see how this goes.
The last round, hard one.
Actually, it said easy, but okay.
What's this? What's that? It's already
Doesn't mean you still can't die from it.
Oh, it's an easy one.
Yeah, it said it was an easy map.
Oh.
Triple threat. Oh no.
How is that easy? What? There's gonna be 3 tornadoes.
How easy?
How is that supposed to be easy? What?
Yeah.
No! No!
I'm out of here, boys.
No!
I have shelter finder.
I never find the
This is a good
key.
way to end the game.
For you, I never find the key.
Oh wait, the shelters move.
I literally never find the key. I need to find somewhere to hide. Ah! I need to get out of the middle of the map. That is like literally the worst place to be.
What is this?
I'm running, I'm going somewhere, I'm flying somewhere. Oh my gosh.
It's right there. I'm too next to you.
Oh. Ah!
No! Get me!
Will this tree protect? Oh my gosh, there's lightning. I forgot about that. That's not a good place to be. Wait, I can go in the truck. I'm in a truck. I'm hiding in a truck. No! The tornado got me a ball! Ah!
This is basically an EF5. But they're still under destruction.
Get in the truck. Ah! Diamond, 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 diamond. No, not that. No, 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 no! Come on. I was not
Ashley,
touching my grade.
Ashley.
Why?
Imagine it was tornado. Imagine there was tornado.
Their spring.
Imagine there was tornado, but
He took mine
it was
too.
EF5.
Someone's body parts? That's really cool. Oh gosh. I'm already dead, but I'm bald and yeah, this is not good.
Chocolate. This is chocolate.
This building is literally about to collapse. I did not pick a good spot to hide. Oh gosh, this is not very safe. No, that's not. The whole building's moving, oh gosh. Oh no, we have 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
It's not
Oh, it's going away.
over. It's not over though.
Oh, I'm bald. Ah. Now you see my whole face. I don't like this part of my face. I just like the eyes. That's why I wear a mask.
What's this?
A flood. Oh no, I lost my my gravity coil. I can't get up there.
I know, it takes it away.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead. If I could just get up there. Come on. I got this. Oh my gosh. Get to the toppy. Ah! I'm at the highest point I can go without a gravity coil. Oh no, why did I do that? I just wanted to get away from those people so they wouldn't hit me off. Oh my gosh. All these people are up here. Oh no.
No.
I'm falling. Keys, I see you!
No.
Ah!
Ah!
It's falling! Or not. Oh, nope. It's falling.
No.
I'm dying. Keep jumping. No, I've died. I'm dead. That is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys!